What is good, everyone? We are back at the shop with a new video. So, a couple things to get you guys caught up on. I broke stuff on the Prelude. Yeah, I did some things. Sorry for a little bit of the shakiness here. I'm actually testing out my new LG V50 with the manual camera mode. So let me know what you think. This phone is pretty cool. I like it. It's fast and it gets the job done. But right now I got the fuel rail pulled out. As you can tell over there on the bench, there is a manual fuel pressure regulator. My boy stepped out to go and pick me up a new fitting for the fuel rail, which I have right here, because the fitting that came with it did not fit. So the first couple of things that are wrong with the Prelude is, for one, the standard fuel pressure regulator that came on here broke and it's just spraying fuel everywhere, so that's why I'm putting a manual one on there. And the second thing is I do have a pretty bad vacuum leak, and I've narrowed it down to the intake manifold gasket pretty much has gone bad. So I do have to remove the intake manifold and get that swapped out. I already have a new gasket. It's just getting that put in. I might put that in a different video. It's not too bad, but I do have some idle surging, and I've already cleaned the IACV and the fast idle thermal valve, and that didn't fix the issue. I cleaned out the throttle body as best as possible, made sure there was nothing clogging the ports inside, the two ports. That's good to go. And I just sprayed carb cleaner all around the engine bay. Pretty much when I hit it up with carb cleaner, just pretty much where the intake manifold meets the head is when it started to bog out, and I've noticed that that's where my vacuum leak was. So I figured swap out the gasket and see where it goes from there. So like I said, right now I just need to get this running again, because this is my vehicle with AC, and we were going to put this manual fuel controller on here, fuel pressure regulator. Once my boy gets back, we're going to tap the fuel rail so we can be able to get the fittings in there properly, because this right here, this part, it doesn't fit. So we're gonna make it work with everything else, just not that piece. So as you can see, I got to get this thing back up and running. I've been driving the CRV and there is no AC. It's hot. I live in Arizona. It's hot, real hot. Let's jump into it. It's one tough SOB. Yep, that just happened. As you can tell, he just went ahead and tapped the fitting and got everything installed. So now we got the finished product here and everything is put in place. Boom. There it is. I still have enough clearance from the hood closing, and I was able to keep the gauge on. I ended up putting it on the bracket that holds the throttle cable, and tapped a couple holes. I didn't show you guys everything here because I was trying to get it done. My homeboy was trying to close up shop. We went ahead and just ended up getting a different fitting here and tapped it in to the fuel rail that you can see right there, and that's working out really well. Got the lines going in, so pretty much the return line and the other line going in. Got the vacuum line plugged in, was able to keep the original one. Very nice. And it's working out good. I was able to drive it home. I did notice one thing, and that was when you rev it, it's supposed to increase fuel pressure, and it's not, and that's telling me I might have a faulty fuel pump now, so I'm actually missing a lot of power. But that's all right. I got a couple 255s in my closet and a 340. So I might go ahead and pull those out and test them and see which one's working. Hopefully the 340. So that way I can go ahead and slap that in and get that taken care of and be able to manage the fuel pressure manually, which is very nice. Anyways, I'm happy with how that turned out. It doesn't look too bad, honestly, in my opinion. Yeah, your boy can use a wire tuck and maybe wash it off a little bit, you know. Anyways, it came out really good. I'm very happy. Thanks again to my boy James at Cobos Customs for helping me out with that and allowing me to keep the Prelude at his shop while she was down. Right now he's mobbing back my CRV, and I will be meeting back up with him a little later. He lives about 5 minutes walking distance, 10 minutes maybe, depending on how slow I want to walk. But it turned out really well, and I'm very happy with it. So next, guys, is I gotta tackle that intake manifold gasket. I gotta get it done. No more idle surging. No more. Need the full power. Got the power. All right. Really do appreciate you guys tuning in. And yeah, it's been a minute since I've had a video out, but thank you again for all my current subscribers and to my new subscribers. If you're new to this channel, I do put out videos regarding my build. So I do have my 94 Prelude, as you see here. I do have a 98 CRV that I'm trying to get things situated with right now with the title before I really start to build on. And then for my main people on here, I do still have the Focus. I still have it. There is some stuff going on, and I will advise you on that, so stay tuned. Thank you again. Don't forget to smash that like button, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, guys, this is Project Flip telling y'all, peace.